then uNkulunkulu turn around and say, Moses, what is it? Yini wabheka mina. Sometimes we have induku. But we don't know which inlet esiyiphethe. You understand?
Amen.
When the problem is igcwele yonke indawo, you think ngizofa sengiyahamba. uNkulunkulu wami ingane zami zosala nobani. Wara ngisho kuwena mntwana. But guys, don't you think like that? Don't you sometimes think like that? Yes. That's, and then you forget to go to iphethe. You understand? And then God says, hey, turn around for it, man. Thatha lendu. Iphakamise. That's kinda discouraging. Indu. Iphakamise lulwandle. I don't believe that. So nangala kulaba bayacindezela. But God is working somehow. The only thing bebathi abashumayelayo bathi imali yasezulwini faith. You buy things ezulwini ngefaith. Uhambe uye ku-Isaiah. U-Isaiah wozani nina nonke enjani enilambileyo nenomileyo nithenge ngaphandle kwani kwemali. Now the only thing which takes the place of money is faith. You understand?
Amen.
So now I don't want you to give up